I have found a great way to make vids now and don't have to worry about a crap converter. Since I last posted a video, not a lot has happened. Have been working out per usual, and the weekends, well, they never seem to last very long. Working in a state office building has its perks, but we haven't had a 3-day weekend since February, and we won't have another one until May. Damn it to hell. At least I will get a half day off this Friday as it is my birthday. I don't know if I want to say I'm getting burned out on my job, but it lacks the excitement that it had when I first received the position. I don't know. Can't really put my finger on it, but need to find a way to make it more fun. And me being the boss, I'm finding I'm not being an ass enough, well, assertive. Need to find me a soulmate, or one needs to find me. It's been since New Year's since I had me a guy. Don't know, guess a lot of it has to do with the fact that I really don't go out to the clubs, or go to any gay places where I can be seen. Not really into the gay websites either, they seem to harbor people seeking one-nighters and quick hookups. Joined Twitter a while back, as I really have not blogged since I had Xanga a long time ago, so thought I would try Twitter, but nobody is following me, just like nobody is watching my videos either. Probably going to quit making videos and updating on Twitter altogether if I don't get any subs in the next couple weeks. Well, Friday is my birthday. I really don't look forward to birthdays like I used to. When you're a kid, and up until 15 or 16, birthdays have a lot more meaning for some reason, but once you hit 18 they just seem like any other day. My father hasn't wished me a happy birthday in at least 10 years. I guess I am more of a mom's boy. Well, that's about it for now. Hope everyone is well. Leave me comments. Twitter me also. My username on Twitter is the same as on here. Peace.